Adityanath will reach Prayagraj once again this evening and will review the preparations going on for the holy bath of Mahashivratri. So this is going to be a big test of the administration and the government. You will see Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath reviewing the preparations on how people can take the last bath here successfully, because at this time there is a flood of devotees in Mahakumbh. Sunday is a holiday. In such a situation, the crowd of people is increasing. So far more than 600 million people have taken a deep of faith. And today evening Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is going to visit Prayagraj, and preparations for the bath of Mahashivratri will be done by him. The crowd for the Mahasnan on the day of Mahashivratri in Mahakumbh is continuously increasing. Today is the 42nd day of Mahakumbh, and from different states and different cities of the country, crowds of devotees are continuously reaching Mahakumbh. Trains, buses are all full. So far more than 600 million people have taken a holy deep at Triveni Sangam. You can see in the pictures how the crowd of devotees is there. People are taking a holy deep in the Ganga. And pictures are coming from different places which are telling that the faith and devotion of the people is increasing and the crowd of people is gathering to reach Mahakumbh. It is the 42nd day of Mahakumbh, and now only 3 days are left. Just like the match becomes interesting in the last 4 overs of cricket, in the same way, the excitement is now visible about going to Mahakumbh in these last 3 days. 600 million people have taken bath, but how many more people can take bath in the remaining 3 days? You can see this report and estimate the enthusiasm of the Sanatanas through this report. 4 days left for Mahakumbh, 600 million people took bath, a huge crowd gathered in Prayagraj. How was the experience? It was very good. How was the experience? How was the experience? It was very good. Hey, the bath was done. Yes, very good, there was no problem. No problem, very good. Very good, very good condition. Along with the common devotees, knowledge leaders also came. Actors also came, be it the streets of Prayagraj or the highway. Crowds of people and queues of vehicles are seen everywhere. There is a race to reach Prayagraj because now Mahakumbh is going to last only for the next 4 days. Such faith arose in the minds of knowledge Sanatanas that 40% of India's population came to Prayagraj to take a holy deep. The number of devotees has crossed the figure of 600 million. In the 2019 Prayagraj Kumbh, 240 million devotees had come, but this time on the 41st day itself, more than 600 million devotees have already come. So far, more than 2.5 times more devotees have reached here in the Mahakumbh of Prayagraj. There is also a weekend in 4 days. The number of devotees coming is there. It will definitely cross the number of at least 650 million. The faith of Sanatan awakens not by seeing wealth and prosperity, but by seeing the heart, and when after a long wait, the turn comes to take a deep in the holy water, then even the hearts of big leaders become happy like a child. Now once again let us come to the common people who are taking a bath in the Sangam by walking 1010 kilometers with their bags. There is a crowd, the paths are long. We have to walk a lot. But people have no complaints, there is no problem. Very good arrangement. We have come with our small children. Those who have good hands and legs should definitely come. There should be a wedding in a house, right? In which a person invites only 200 members, it becomes difficult to handle that, and here there are crores of people. Understand that the entire population of India has come here and have seen Ma Ganga. Look, the biggest thing is that it is our good fortune that after 144 years, we got to see the defeat of the Gangas. By looking at the happiness on the faces of these people, You will not be able to tell what all they have suffered to take a bath in the Sangam. Huge crowd of devotees in every area of the city. People bathing at the banks of Sangam do not even have